Hey guys, hope you all are vibing. My name is Ashton and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video, so just bear with me. So in today's video, we are going to be having a workout session. That's going to be legs and shoulders, and I'm going to be working out with my brother. So let me introduce you to him. So yeah, let's get going. So we're going to pack my things, get my shoes in. So guys, first we're going to be starting with shoulders. First exercise is going to be shoulder press. So yeah.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get to glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, them amateurs have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, them amateurs have to leave. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting shots. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
So guys, we are going to be moving on to legs now. We're going to be starting with leg press. So let's go. action.
Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. I'm moving too far. Get it glass.
There's me struggling for my life to do this, and then this guy doing it for reps.
Shooting stars. Shooting stars. Shooting stars. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross.
Finally ending with standing cock release.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
So guys, we are back from the gym, and right now it's 1:30 in the afternoon, and I'm having my post-workout shake, and we are going to be heading to a waterfall that's in Betul. So I'll be heading there with my brother and some of my friends. So let's hope that there's water today, because it's been raining a lot these days, especially last night. So yeah, we'll be heading over there. So guys, we have just reached at the location. Come on, Mitch.
DJ Mitch. DJ Mitch.
Come on, Mitch. Come on, Albert. Yeah.
The fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light